Meet all of your workwear and footwear needs by shopping at Working Person Store. Here's some men's footwear that'll make your day better. Forget the laces with these Thorogood men's steel-toe Wellington boots. Just slip them on and get to work. Since they're made in the USA, you can count on these safety toe boots to get you through many work days. Their ASTM-rated steel-toe caps guard your toes against impacts and compressions that can occur on the job site. And they'll also provide ASTM-rated electrical hazard protection. Goodyear's Stormwell construction, which stitches the oil tan leather uppers to single-density polyurethane Maxwear outsoles, creates a long-lasting bound that you can count on. These rugged outsoles are slip-resistant too. You'll stay upright more often on uneven or slippery work floor surfaces. The interiors are all about support and comfort. Composite shanks reinforce your arches, while rubber midsoles add more stability to your steps. Removable dual-density footbeds with Poron 4000 cushions provide your feet with the ultimate shock absorption, keeping you comfortable all day from heel to toe. With work footwear like these Thorogood men's American-made boots, you'll want to check out everything else WorkingPerson.com has to offer.